In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add blank pages in WPS Office. Adding a blank page in WPS Office Writer is a simple but essential skill, especially when you are formatting documents such as reports, letters, or assignments. Knowing the correct way to insert a blank page helps keep your document clean, organized, and properly structured. To get started, open your document in WPS Office Writer and decide exactly where you want the new blank page to appear. This step is important because the blank page will be inserted based on your cursor position. Click next to the word, sentence, or paragraph where you want the new page to be added. Once your cursor is in the correct position, you are ready to insert the blank page. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. Inside this tab, you will see options related to adding content to your document. Here, you will notice two different options that can both be used to insert a blank page. The first option is Blank Page. When you click this option, a blank page will be immediately inserted at the cursor location. This method is quick and straightforward, making it ideal when you want a clean page added instantly. The second option you will see is Page Break. Clicking on Page Break will also insert a new blank page. This works by ending the current page and pushing all content after the cursor onto a new page. Even though the function is slightly different, the result is the same, which is a newly added blank page in your document. Both methods are useful, and you can choose whichever feels more comfortable for your workflow. There is also another simple way to add a blank page without opening any menus. If you want a fast and direct method, click next to the word where you want the new page, then press Ctrl and Enter on your keyboard at the same time. This keyboard shortcut instantly creates a blank page by inserting a page break. It is especially helpful when you are working quickly and want to avoid interrupting your typing process. Using these methods correctly helps prevent layout issues and keeps your document looking professional. Whether you are adding space for new content or separating sections, inserting blank pages properly makes a big difference in document readability. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.